Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I got my notebook here and I'm just gonna read off what I have. The do's and don'ts of being natural. So the first thing that I don't do and that a lot of people do is compare your hair with other people's hair. Don't do that. Don't look at the next girl and be like, oh, I wish I had her hair texture. Ooh, look how fast her hair is growing. Ooh, what can I do? Don't do that, because God made you, and He made us all different. We have different backgrounds, different genetics, different everything. So do not compare yourself to the next person, because you're not going to ever be that person, and you shouldn't even want to be that person. Be you and enjoy what God has given you. Your hair texture, your length, the rate your hair grows. Enjoy what God's given you. Another thing that a lot of people do is get a lot of product. Me being one of those people, when I first started my journey, I was getting the newest thing that came out. I was looking at every commercial. I was looking at every ad. I was looking at every girl that talked about and raved about this product, and I was buying them and I was using them. I don't do that anymore. What I do now is use 3 things. I went from having a lot of product to very minimal product. You do not have to try every single product that comes out, and I would suggest you don't do that, because you never really know what's working in your hair. If you're always trying the next product, you never give your hair time to react to what you're using to see if it's even helping. So that's one thing I have stopped doing. I used to do that. I don't do it anymore. Another thing that you hear sometimes is don't use heat, and that's something that I do. I use heat, and there used to be a time where I didn't touch heat. I didn't at all. I did see my hair grow, and that works for some people. No heat will make your hair grow. But for me, I use heat, and I have seen substantial growth in my hair. So that's another thing that I do. When I was beginning my natural hair journey, I used to hear don't use shampoo for whatever reason. And I used to use mainly just conditioner and no shampoo. That is another thing that I do not do now. I currently wash and condition my hair every 2 weeks. That means I use shampoo and I wash it, and I use conditioner, and that's how I do my wash days, and I have seen a really big difference. My hair is clean, and I'm seeing a difference in using it. So that's what I'm going to continue to do as well. And another thing that I don't do is I don't label my hair. I'm not saying anything's wrong with labeling your hair, saying 4A, 3B, 3C, but that's something that I have never done. I thought about doing it in the beginning of my journey, but then as years went on, I'm almost 9 years in December natural, so I've been natural for a long time, and through my journey I have just not done that, and I found it to be so relieving. Now I know it might help some. That's why I'm saying these are what I do and what I don't. It might help you find products and things like that, but I don't do that. What I do is I just look for products that work in my hair and I use them, and that's it. So if anybody asks me, what kind of hair do you have? Are you 4A? Are you 3C? Like, I don't know. And the last thing that I want to tell you, that this is the number 1 thing that I do, is pray. I believe in the power of prayer. I believe in Jesus Christ. I believe that death and life is in the power of your tongue. So speak life over your hair. Don't constantly say, my hair is not growing. Oh, my hair gets on my nerves. You are speaking death over your hair. Speak life over it. When I was younger, and even to this day, my mom encouraged me to pray over my hair and to speak life over my hair. When I tell you, I have done that, and I have seen God work in my hair. He cares about every detail of your life, even your hair. So speak life over it. Even if you don't see your hair growing, even if your hair is not where you want it to be, you speak life and say positive things. My hair is growing. I have healthy hair. God's given me wisdom to grow my hair. My hair is going to be at the length that I want it and the health that I want it. So yes, prayer is the main tip that I would even give you in this video, because it works. Alright guys, that is all I have. If you all have any do's and don'ts, let's have a do's and don't comment section that will help each other out, because sometimes what one person doesn't work for the other person, and sometimes what one person does help. So drop down your do's and don'ts in the comment section, and let's help each other. Whether you want to grow your hair, whether that's not the goal and you just want healthy hair, let's help each other out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Then you'll know when I upload some more. And thank you so much for being here. I love you. Jesus loves you. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.